thing in the that code also. I believe in a calculated field, he's passing the parameter, checking the value, and then pick the particular
Mm,
matrix. I
mm,
can tell you, like choose a matrix is equal
mm,
to is equal to
mm.
what exactly the name past due, what exactly it was mentioned. Do you remember in the
No,
parameter?
I don't remember. I'll have to open it.
Yep. You can just copy paste in somewhere in the notepad.
But these ones are these ones are the old ones that I was trying to do. So should I
Old was
make another? These
okay.
ones are old ones, like I was trying to do on my
Hmm.
own. So
Okay.
this
So
value is all off.
you are trying to create the replica of the same, right? So
Oh
can
yeah,
you
yeah,
so just can you show me that it doesn't going
yeah,
to matter? But
yeah.
there's somewhere one calculated field which
Uh-huh.
is using this parameter. Otherwise, parameter will not work. Okay.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
Got it.
Now
This
I know what you are
parameter
saying.
somewhere need to
Yeah,
link,
I know,
right?
I know, I know, I know, I know what you're saying. Wait, 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 wait. I'll show you.
In
Wait,
Cognos, we
wait.
have the same logic, right?
Uh,
So in the same
he
way.
is using it in this one. Edit, edit. He's using it in this one.
Exactly. Now you can see. Oh, okay. He is using case. Generally, I use if else statement. So he's just passing the hard coded values case to the matrix. I was
Mm,
supposed to write down the same code, like training, assign, then use this.
mm.
Just copy paste. This all your exercise already done. Okay.
Yeah, but I mean, I can't just copy paste this one because the trainings, what is there, I don't have that in my database.
So that's fine. Just you need to replace the text. The logic is same, right? I can tell you, no issues. I can
Okay,
help you. Just copy
okay,
paste
okay.
somewhere. This one, notepad plus. So please scroll right again. Yeah. Then you
Then
can see
trainings.
then training.
Mm,
He's also not counting the IDs. He's all like he's not counting. He's just listing out the training.
mm.
Later on,
So
maybe
trainings, he is doing that because he had grouped the data. So,
right,
so for each
right, right, right.
ID.
I do understand that part. So
Mm,
so this is a like logic means in any
mm,
tool there is a like in Tableau also for achieving a same kind of result there are multiple ways. As I told you, individual
mm,
has a different style. So most of the times I used to introduce the Tableau feature. Why are
mm,
we getting through the
mm,
unnecessary calculation?
mm,
So these are the like
mm,
so this is a logic. Now
mm.
you need to just check whatever the matrix name you have created. You just need to replace whatever mentioned in the boxes.
Yeah, yeah.
And hard coded values you can put anything. Even you
Mm,
can put your name. It doesn't going to matter. Hard coded
mm,
values are just checking your logic.
mm,
So this is a like calculation, like calculated field. Now the parameters you have created, you can drag drop that parameter under the you know show as a parameter. I can tell you frankly.
mm,
Okay. And make it as a radio button option, and
mm.
that is going to work.
Okay. Yeah, I'll
Just
do that.
just showcase as a parameter.
Yeah.
Just select the parameter.
Parameter. Okay.
I can't see the option, please. Could you please
Oh,
go down? Yeah.
create
So
parameter.
yeah. So arrow is there. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No, not create parameter. You already had the parameter, right?
Oh, okay. Choose a
So
metric parameter.
and show parameter. Show parameter. Next second
Oh,
option.
okay. I know. I know how to do that.